man say at the shop, it's the pedal, change the pedal on the clutch. Then the man say, chain. Got a chain coming tomorrow. I don't think it's a chain, I think it's a crank. But if any of y'all know, so help me. Please let me know. Cause I ain't got a clue what it is. I think it's the burns, but he said the burns are fine. He checked them out. That's fine. But I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think.